Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the lock screen password on absolutely any iPhone. So, friends, let's get on with our topic. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes under the video and write your comments. In order for you to change your lock screen password, you will need to go to Settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down a little bit. And here you will need to go to Face ID and Password. Next, enter your phone password. Next, folks, scroll down and select Change Password. As you can see, I have Face ID still standing. If you also have Face ID standing, go through it. After that, you'll need to enter your phone password again, which you have active, of course. Next, you can choose what your future changed phone password will look like. To do that, you click right here in the options, and here you can choose. For example, you can have a 4-digit numeric password, or you can have a 6-digit numeric password, or any of the other options once you've chosen the one that suits you. Enter a new password, and enter it again, repeat it. And now, as you can see, automatically the password starts to save. It will take a little bit of time, a few seconds for the phone to change its settings. And then your iPhone password will be changed. That's the simple and quick way. Friends, you can change your lock screen password on absolutely any iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please, friends, don't forget to write your comments, make sure to put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.